Good morning, all. I'm Harish Priya. Respecting our peoples on dais, I am from Toronto. I'm an engineering student of GC Kannur, of studying computer science engineering, and I'm an extrovert person. I like to, I like to act, sing, dance, etc. My hobbies are to play cricket, and I'm also a district player and selected for the Kerala camp of cricket. And I have a small family. My father, mother, and I have an elder sister. She is a BC Physics student. She graduated in the last week. And my mother is a housewife. My father is a warehouse worker in Bahrain. I would like to be an computer science engineer. That's my short-term goal. My long-term goal to become a game developer. Also to be a part in cricket in India. That's my biggest dream, to be a cricketer. And I'm an extroverted person. I like to mingle with more people, and I like to study more languages. Also, I like to tour around the world, and I like to make more friends because now I'm in hostel. Also, I have more friends. I like to be a catchy in among them. So that's it. Thank you.